One love to my family members out there. This is Family Man. Today's tutorial is on how you can make good money trading Forex. You see, I have been in the Forex market for so many years, more than 16 years. That was even before my undergraduate, and I have been making cool money. In those days, I could remember I paid almost $50 to learn how to trade, and my initial deposit was around $600, and within some hours I look at my account and what I saw was about 5,000 USD. I look at it, it was real money. So what I'm saying is this: if you know how to trade, you can become rich in Forex trading overnight. But if you don't play to the rules, you can equally lose your money. So it is very, very important you know how it works. If you want to trade Forex, the first thing you do is locate your broker, and you don't have to go from office to office looking for a broker. You just go to their website and sign up and start trading. Okay, let's assume you want to trade with Ubanker. If you have the link with you, if you have the website address, you can go, you can put it in your browser. But if you don't have it, you just look at my video description below. You will see the website. You put it on your browser and it will take you to the website. Okay, if you're in the website, the first thing you do, you go to the top right hand corner and click on open account. And when you click on open account, it will take you to the account creation page, where you will put your name, you put your email, you select your country, you put your phone number, and you agree to the terms and conditions and click start now. And once you click on start now, it will generate a code for you, send it to your handset, and you will put the code and you click on continue. And once you click on continue, the next thing is that it will generate password for you as your login credential. And when the password become your login credential, and when you come to your portal, when you continue, it will take you to your portal, and at the top left hand of your portal, you will see some information there, like the account equity, the open profit and loss. So that place on this top left hand corner, you will see your account details, the current amount in your account. If you have made profit or loss, you will see it. And at the top right hand corner, you will see withdraw and deposit, which is very, very easy to do. You will see withdraw and deposit. When you click on deposit, it will request your credit card information or debit card information. You will put it and select the amount you want to deposit, and so also withdrawal. If you want to withdraw, it's still through the same process. But before you begin to deposit and withdraw, let's look at how the things look like. Here we have quotes, and under quote we have some two currencies. We have some two currencies here: Euro USD, GBP USD. These two currencies, we call them currency pairs. And under these currency pairs, we have the bid and ask price. The bid price is the price you are willing to sell, and the ask price is the price you are willing to buy. As you can see, the bid price and the ask price is fluctuating. It is because they are responding to the forces of demand and supply of that particular currency. And if you move forward, here we have symbols. Another symbol, we have FX, commodity stock, and this is telling you that it is not only the Forex FX that you are going to trade. If you want to trade other things like cryptocurrencies, stocks, you can as well trade. And if you move forward, there is another button here. When you click on it, you will see different currencies and their prices and their current prices. And also, well, we have something here. You can decide to hide this quote panel, this quote. You can decide to hide it, you can decide to unhide it there. And if you come down, you will see charts, and look at the chart. The chart is where you will be looking at, and up on the top of the chart there are some buttons here. The first button is where you can select the currency you want to trade. After looking at their prices up there under quote, here you can select the currency you want to trade. I normally trade Euro USD. You can select any currency you want to, currency pairs that you want to trade. And here we have where you can change the candle here, where you can change the graph. any type of graph you want, you can select. They are almost the same, but I normally use this default one because it is more understandable for me. And here we have different time frame. If you want to use the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15 minute, 30 minute, or the 1 hour time frame, you can select it there. And the next button, we have some tools. Again, here we have some tools. We have the high low, close line, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's look at this horizontal high low tool. Let's see how it is. Once you click on it, you see your mouse pointer have changed, and when you click on it, you see a line have appeared, and this line is telling you that a line have appeared at the lower part of this graph. This line is telling you that when this graph crosses this line below, the graph have reached its lower point. The market have failed. The price has failed to its lowest point, so you should be anticipating that it is going to rise, and that is how it works. And when this line is up, when the graph crosses this line upward, you begin to expect it to fall because it has reached its highest point. And if you want to remove this line, you can right click and click on remove. And as well, we have another tools here, the ADX absolute price oscillator, and let's click on one of them and see how they work. Okay, when you click on the ADX, a box appear. You click on OK, and you see the ADX has appeared downward here. It is a line moving up and down. When this line reach the top here, it means that the market has reached its highest point, and the price have climbed to its highest point, and it may necessarily fall. It might necessarily fall, and when it reaches down here, it means that the price has reached its lowest point, and it might necessarily rise, and you can close it here. So apart from that, we also have the language change. You can change your language setting. You can change your language. Okay, and after that, we have the sell and the buy button. But before you do that, let's look at this graph very well. Let's look at it better and see how the graph is moving. Okay, this graph here, we have these candles. We have the blue candle and the red candle. This blue candle is bullish, what we call the bullish in the currency exchange market. When the bullish means that when this candle is bullish, it means that you are expecting that the price is going to rise. So what you do is you start buying to start making profit. If you do otherwise, you might possibly lose your money. So, and when this candle is red, it means that you are expecting that the price is going to fall or even falling. So what you do is sell and make profit. You begin to sell and make profit. You click on sell here and begin to make your profit. So that is how it works. Thanks for listening. If you are in, say we are family. Say it very loud. We are family. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.